In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert Google Tag Manager into Practice Better. If you're trying to enhance your Practice Better account with tracking and analytics, this will be a game changer. Stick around because at the end, I'll show you how to take things a step further with a much better solution that actually fits your goals. First off, let's break down why you'd want to use Google Tag Manager in Practice Better. Google Tag Manager is a tool that makes it easy to manage and deploy marketing tags like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, and other tracking pixels without needing to touch the code directly. For Practice Better, this is especially useful if you're running a coaching or wellness business and want to track your website performance or user activity more efficiently. Next thing, to get started, you'll need to log into your Google Tag Manager account. If you don't have one, create an account at tagmanager.google.com. Once you're in, you'll create a new container for your Practice Better website. A container holds all the tags, triggers, and variables for tracking. Make sure you give it a relevant name, like Practice Better Tracking, to keep things organized. The next thing to do is grab the Google Tag Manager container code. After you set up the container, Google will provide two snippets of code, one for the head and one for the body. You'll need these to insert into your Practice Better account. Copy both codes because you'll be adding them to different parts of your website. The fourth thing, now head to Practice Better. To integrate Google Tag Manager, go to your Practice Better admin dashboard. From there, navigate to the website section and look for the option to insert custom code. It's typically under Settings or Customization, depending on your version. Paste the first snippet, the head code, into the head section. Paste the second snippet, the body code, in the body section. The next thing to keep in mind is that after inserting the code, you'll want to test everything to ensure it's working. To do that, you can use Google Tag Manager's preview mode or check real-time activity in Google Analytics. Make sure the tags are firing when visitors land on your Practice Better page. If the tags aren't firing correctly, double-check that you inserted both code snippets properly. Now, the next thing, while Google Tag Manager in Practice Better works fine for basic tracking, there's one limitation to consider. It's not the most intuitive tool for ongoing tracking or detailed analytics inside Practice Better. You might find yourself using a bunch of different systems to track various metrics. Plus, it's a bit of a hassle if you want to get deeper insights without a technical background. So here's the kicker. While Google Tag Manager is helpful for basic integrations, if you're really looking for a streamlined experience that combines both ease of use and powerful tracking for your practice or coaching business, I've got something much better for you. There are alternatives that let you do all of this without all the manual work and complexities, offering more in-depth features that'll help you grow your business more effectively. In fact, I've partnered with a service that not only integrates with Google Tag Manager, but also offers an all-in-one solution tailored for Practice Better users like you. You'll get more control, easier integration, and better insights than what you'll get from Google Tag Manager alone. By using our link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial of this alternative, plus some amazing benefits that are only available through our viewers. So, if you're looking to take your business to the next level and simplify the tracking and analytics process, make sure to check out that link for your best free trial and the best solution for your needs.